In this episode, a team rebuilds a little-known ancient Greek acoustical mirror used to study sound waves and room resonance. They examine historical context and a tradition of using metal and stone to manipulate echoes and guide speakers. The reconstruction walks through material choices shaping reflection patterns and the careful milling of a precise concave surface. Along the way, modern testers compare audible differences to the ancient measurements and note surprising limits of early techniques. The result is a hands-on exploration of experimental archaeology that reveals how sound traveled through ancient spaces.